Hi guys, and welcome to A Day in My Life. It was a free day for me today. I didn't go to work. Yep, it's a holiday. I don't know the real name. Actually don't know the real name of the holiday that was in this state today. But I felt like I've sat on my chair for a very long time and I need a fresh air. So I just came out here in this park to just relax, enjoy the fresh air, and see what's going on outside. So let's go on here. The grass has really grown compared to the last time I was here. When I head on this side, I'll be heading to the hospital, of which I don't want to. I'm just walking around giving you information on how you can do all these things to just get yourself here. What process you gonna use? What are you supposed to do to the time you land here? So on this side that I'm heading to is a hospital, and you're gonna ask me how you can get a job in the hospital or how you can get to work in the hospital. I'll recommend you to apply for an Ausbildung, and when applying for the Ausbildung, it shows that the organization you're going to choose, your employer should be a Krankenhaus, a hospital, because remember when you're doing nursing in Germany, it's nursing, but it depends from where you're doing it. There are those who start in the hospital, there are those who start in elderly care homes, and there are those who work from home to home, house to house, just rendering their service. So in this park today of mine network, that's the information I'm going to give you. Okay. This here is I think it's a elderly home located near a hospital. Right now I'm in a park. I just find the videos that are done in the park fascinating. They just interest me in some type of way because of the green vegetation, the green grass, the trees and everything. So I'm gonna just take a sit somewhere here and then continue explaining to you. I've walked here twice. Maybe the neighbors or the neighbors will be wondering what's wrong with this girl. She's been walking around here without actually getting to the destination. But I'm just gonna sit here and then continue explaining to you. It's now time to go back home. It was such an enjoyable fresh air outside here, and I'm gonna say goodbye. At least I've taken 30-20 minutes to just enjoy the fresh air outside here and some physical exercise for my body, just moving around. I don't know, I think I've moved around 100 steps now.